Hey everybody, Bikes and Brass here. Just wanted to do another quick video on my mini ITX build. This is a Thermaltake case, or Thermaltake rather. I think it's a Core P1. Apologies if I got that wrong, but if I did, I'll put something in the description. Just a quick little review of the build. I'm rocking a 1080 Ti in here. I've got a Core i7 8700K. I've got the Asus Z370i gaming motherboard. I do have 32 gigs of RAM now. In the last video I only had 8 just because my RAM had not come in yet. And then I've got NVMe memory, 3x4, so full speed. And then I've got a bunch of kind of various solid states and even a disk drive that I had from other builds that I just put in this thing because I had a lot of SATA ports, so figured I'd take advantage of that. One really cool thing I wanted to show you guys is I was actually, because the whole purpose of this build was to be a computer I could pack up, take to my parents' house or something, and go, use it there, game on it, play games with my brother, whatever. Or to a friend's house or whatever else. So I wanted to build a portable computer. And with this little guy here. So the whole reason I built it was for that. So I was actually able, because the big problem I noticed when I went to my parents' house, sorry that's bothering me, was sound. Their monitor didn't have sound or was a pain in the ass to get working, and I actually had to go find speakers and blah, blah, blah. And I thought about sound's always going to be an issue. For instance, this monitor doesn't have sound. Whatever. It can be a big pain in the butt. So I actually integrated a speaker into the case, which is awesome. I didn't know how I was going to do it. So anyone who's using a Z370i board, and I'll go ahead and take off my glass here. Ooh, that was tight. Oh, don't drop the screw. Alright. So it's going to be a little bit hard to see this anyway, but anyone who's using the Z370i board, in the back right of the board, if the RAM is, sort of facing you, there is a USB 3.0 slot or whatever there. You have to get, and it was a weird Type C, I believe, USB 3.0 Type C. You have to get a USB 3.0 Type C motherboard connector, and the one I got actually shipped with like a plate to go in the back of the case, but I didn't end up using that. And then you have to just simply buy a speaker that only plugs in USB and plug it into the USB port like you normally would. And I actually think I don't think I needed... Yeah, no, it wasn't an adapter, just a normal connector. So that's what I did. I connected it there. I routed the wire down to the side, and the speaker, which you can't probably even see, is... Actually, I forgot where it was. I think it's down here. Okay, yeah, it's down on the bottom. Tucked in real nicely right there. Just a little speaker. I'll show you what the sound is like, just for fun. Probably not going to be the best sound quality on an iPhone here, but anyway. Yeah, so it sounds great. Very HD sounding. It actually has a pretty full sound. The only thing is the speaker doesn't go that loud. I'm going to take off this front without accidentally turning off my computer this time, and I'll show you what the little speaker setup looks like. Okay, so So there it is. Obviously I had these wires tucked up. You can see where it's plugging in. Oh, I did have to do an adapter. Okay. So I did the, I think it was a USB Type-C to normal USB adapter. So I did do an adapter, but I had this plugged in and it works phenomenally. Speaker registers every time I start the computer up. I don't have to do any messing around in my settings to get that to work. It just defaults to it, which is very cool. So anyways, hope you guys enjoyed the video. I really love this build. It's been a lot of fun, and I use it every day. So hope you enjoyed it. Hope you can give me a like. Hope you can subscribe. I appreciate it. Get out there, go do cool stuff, and let me know in the comments what you think of my build. Any recommendations, any questions, I'll be happy to help out. Thanks everyone. Bye.